Hello everybody, I'm going to show you a nice 2-bedroom detached property today, not far from Góis, in fact very close to Góis in the area of Coimbra. I'm in the lounge and you can see in front of the double doors here there's a terrace, or if you want to call it a balcony, with metal balustrade that we'll see it from the outside after. So I'll come round to show you the lounge. The lounge has hot and cold AC unit, as you can see. It has parquet flooring and it's a decent size. Off the lounge, as you'll see, we have 2 bedrooms that we're going to go in, and the bathroom at the rear and the kitchen to the left. On the ground floor, it's more or less a large garage and storage area that could be converted into extra living space should you want. Okay, so the first door on the right, in we go. So a double bedroom, walls are in good condition. The windows are in wood, has shutters. You might be able to get away with leaving them, but they do need some work. It might be better to change the windows, depending on your budget. Go to the front, show you outside again, and here is an AC unit in here as well, hot and cold again. Okay, that nice parquet flooring. Out we come. I'm going to turn right, and another double bedroom. As you can see, this has the parquet again. Nice views. I think you can see, yes, the annex for storage. That's just at the other side of the vines that you can see here. Okay. So this one again, hot and cold air conditioning unit, rather new by the looks of them. And this looks bigger than the first one we just seen. Okay. So out from here, back into the lounge. We have a door that's closed at the moment. We'll see that from the outside after. I'll just pan round here and show you where we've been. Okay, so the next door on the right, if I can open it, is a stairs to the attic. There it goes. On my right is the gas water heater that you can see here. Okay. The roof looks in good condition. It's in wood, wooden rafters and wooden purlings, and the stairs look good going up to it also. So there's this, and then the next room is the bathroom. It's tiled just over halfway up the walls, and this has a, as you can see, bidet, WC, pedestal wash hand basin with mixer tap, and you see here bath with mixer taps again and a shower attachment. Okay, so out of here we'll turn right and into the kitchen. So the kitchen is as it was more or less when the house was built. You can see the stainless steel sink on a marble top with base units, with drawers, wall units from that period, maybe 80s. and in the corner we have a stove. I think that would need replacing, but there's plenty of room there should you want a stove in the kitchen. There's the mantel and the start of the chimney breast. We have a window at the back. That's obviously closed at the moment. There's your fridge freezer. Tiles just up halfway up the wall, and ceramic tiles on the floor as well. Okay. Let me just show you a view from the window. Okay, we'll now go outside. Okay, we are now on the outside, on the gable end of the property. You can see the stairs leading up to the kitchen, and the other door to the right of the kitchen door leads into the lounge. The property has been recently painted and exterior is in good condition. I will show you the lane that passes by. The people would have just walked there. There's a little cafe on the right, so if you want a coffee or a beer, it's less than a minute away. Okay, so show you the house and the perimeter wall you can see also. And look at those views, wow, beautiful. There are double gates to lead onto the land here, and what we'll do now, we'll go onto the land round the back. Just going to close the gate so the doggy doesn't get out. Okay, let's go to the front. We'll start at the front and then we'll go round. So access is good via tarmac road. Góis, as I say, 5 minutes away, if that. Come round, show you the house, and in we go. It looks like the perimeter wall has vines. Nice piece of land actually, quite flat. We have a big olive tree here and another one to the right. Okay, and this is the house from the rear. You see the chimney that comes down, passes into the kitchen. Views. And let's go to the right of the rear. So there is quite an amount of land here. Another olive, and what would be the dividing line between here and the neighbour is here, and again we have vines. Okay, and it looks like the land goes right to the bottom with the olive grove on the left and the pine trees to the left. Okay, so the rear of the property, there you can see it, the roof looks nice and straight. You see the compressor for the AC units on the gable end, and as I mentioned before, there's an annex for storing whatever you wish. Okay. Now then, let me go back and hopefully I'm going to be able to show you the garage. Or maybe you can see the garage from the photos that you will see on the website. I think that might be best. So, there you have it. 2-bedroom detached with a nice plot of land. Easy access. Close to a cafe, near Góis, in the Central District of Coimbra. You can call me on 00351 916 270 953 or email me at the address you will find at the end of the video. Thank you.